All right, we out the way. Oh. What's going on, guys? We're back down here at Dark Hollow RC Trails. Lee invited us back down here. We got a whole crowd here. We're gonna go crawling with us. Got twin hammers, SEX10 3, TRX-4. That's a Wendigo, right?
Yeah.
And what is this?
It's a AX10 Deadbolt.
AX10 Deadbolt. So let's go get it. It ain't so easy. Not everybody going up.
See, I had to play within the rules. You said first.
I said fastest. Oh, door full of. We got to rub it up against the tree.
Yeah, that's tight.
Oh yeah, you just.
Now, did you print those?
Yeah. Yeah. Man, that thing's addictive. I think I got to be printing something all the time. I was up last night looking for stuff to print.
I also can't stand in front of it because then I get left in a computer.
Well, we done started moving rocks now. Well, I know, and that's why I followed his rules, and now he wants to change the rules on me.
We'll start it here in a little bit whenever y'all want to.
I done started it at one.
No, it's the fastest.
No.
Too early in the morning for me.
Well, your wheels ain't turning on.
I did it. That's all I wanted. I don't care about anything else.
You made it of it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I got it on video too.
Well, maybe. I was kind of standing in front of it.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
That's fine.
Come on, Kyle. You got this. Oh yeah. Nice. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna try it even quicker this time.
Oh yeah. I will just jump off there. Well, that's
Flip backwards. There you go.
one way to do it. Yeah, that's the hard part. Look at here, we got some clowns that showed up. There's Danny, Kevin. What's going on, fellas?
Another day, bro.
Another day. Uh-oh, you brought the AX10?
I brought 4 rigs.
Four rigs?
What you want?
Oh, I don't know. I brought a lot too.
I brought.
Ain't even been here 30 minutes. The boy done broke something.
I didn't break anything.
What's wrong with it
The
then?
drive shaft bolts backed out. I didn't use Loctite.
You didn't use Loctite. Rule of thumb, use Loctite.
Always use Loctite.
Always use Loctite.
He's never been outside before, man.
What is that little thing? Is that a bug? Maybe we should stomp it. Oh my God!
Yeah. I think I've seen the one you've done.
I've got one. I hardly ever use it.
Well, you know what, man? We and Jimmy play with these things inside a lot during COVID.
Really?
Yeah, but I've never been outside before, and she ain't doing real good outside.
This is really nice.
Yeah, I like being down here in the shade. Yeah.
Man.
Now let's turn around and see if we can go upward. Whoa. All that craziness about.
Leaning posts down here too. That's not.
Lean up here. It's hard going up it this way. Got that back wheel locked in there, don't I?
It's in the hole. There you go. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I hope. All are awesome.
That thing's in pieces.
Oh, I got you, brother.
Couldn't see where I was at.
You got
Big
to
head in the way.
turn the other way. There you go.
Yeah, the big head in
The big head. Thought it was a solar eclipse, didn't you? Oh. I love that sticker.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, let me get my head out of your way. Oh, oh, oh! Crawling slow. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. I was looking at my camera. I didn't even see you.
I know your stickers are different, but I would be driving the wrong truck.
Oh, you talking about because they look the same?
Yeah. I've done that before with trucks that didn't even look like the one I
I've
was
done that
driving.
too. I've done that too. Be looking at another truck. Oh!
That counts.
That was very cool.
Oh, we got the window.
Yeah, I know. Alright, I need to be able to see it. I realized that it could do all that.
There you go.
You're stuck. I have indeed Austin Powers.
Yeah, I think you'll need a helicopter to get that thing out.
Oh, he's stuck. Johnny, back up, give him a tough.
Get back.
By the way, I got to put box and I'm not on my back
Oh yeah, you made it
Fixing to
good.
cover us all in mud.
Yeah, that's why I'm over
Keep the rooster tail.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
Well, probably
It's a TRX-4, man.
a completely stock TRX.
TRX-4 is tougher than a Ford Ranger, bro.
I wasn't stuck. Oh my god. See, I knew that the breakover angle was too steep, so I thought,
Yes,
oh,
sir, all day long. Got Corey and his son here. What's your name, man?
Cameron.
Cameron. I can't remember it.
Yeah, we ran off and left this receiver in his race truck. So
Oh, okay.
I let him, we had to hook him up with another one.
See if it's going to handle the bounce like it this time. But, I don't know. This one is the one. I think it is the one that we put on the island.
Come on, Kyle. You got this, baby. Yes, sir. Oh, send it. Oh, okay, okay. Come on, TRX-4, you got this.
I did it earlier. Let's do it again.
Oh, sweet. No problem at all.
Dave, give me a push. She said I can't see. You just drove over.
Just drive over it. He'll be alright. You could probably bump him a little bit. Bump that wheel, bump him a little bit. Oh, well, just going over him.
Just keep going now. Oh, okay, we pushed me backwards. I think that might be enough.
Sound like beer cans are crunching.
Worth the trade.
I'm sitting in the bush. I better get mine on.
You didn't bring those.
He is recovering.
No, I didn't.
I'm about to put them on the plane. I need more ground clearance. Should put that as 2.2 on it. Yeah, but I don't want to break it. I just need 2 more millimeters.
Wait on it. Oh, good. Oh, I got wrong.
The other angle.
The other angle, yeah. So let's get out of the way first. All right, we're out of the way. Oh! Did you get stoved up? Yes, sir.
First time I ever raced the trailer, this guy told me, he said, "Take it easy now, don't go up there until you're used to this thing." And I'm like, what you talking about, guys? You'll be sore tomorrow. We run about a 1 hour practice session, a heat race, and then the main. And the next day I think, yeah.
Yes, sir. Nice.
I'm trying to go down on that leg door.
Why doesn't
You just try to make it up to 2 parts.
get on that roof? That's rough.
Let me see if I can back it. I think if I hit the brakes at just the right time, it'll sit down with this thing.
You think you could get up that steep part?
No, I'm gonna try it. Why didn't I do this the whole time? My phone fits in between the cabin belts.
Knowing you'll launch it off of something and lose your phone.
I already did.
I used to have a life case on mine too.
Only 4 tires spinning.
They don't make them
Oh.
That was
I
sweet
have
there.
them everywhere. They don't make life pretty crazy for this phone.
Does that make engine push case? That's pretty
I don't think anybody's not.
You know you can move. I was like, maybe just pushing him out of the way over there.
The truck has decided to quit turning left.
Well, your truck? 3 wheels are spinning when you're going up this stuff.
His is open diff in the front.
Man, that's a pretty truck. Is that Ke I think it's Kevin's. Is that your daughter's truck?
Granddaughter.
Granddaughter's truck?
Yeah. I built it for her. Sure you did.
Yeah, we've yet to see her run it.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Just saying. But it is a good looking truck.
I'm trying to go down it again after they're done.
Oh, is that the one that's got the dental drill? It ain't got the dental drill in it anymore, though, does it?
Yeah. Which one?
Wheel. Where's Wheel at? Oh, he's back there. That one there. What are you trying to do?
want you to go up the other side. Everybody's done this.
I thought he was saying dinner drill.
Everybody's done this right here.
Dental. Dental drill. My bad, man. I'm country.
Hey, country.
I'm country. People watch my RC channel just to hear me talk. It's got nothing to do with RCs. I know it.
Hey, listen, I have people trying to send me friend requests from Europe and places like that on Facebook, and they'll send me a message and say, hey, I sent you a friend request. I like your last name. And I'm like, what?
How was I supposed to know that was
It's like, what does that mean? And I'm like, I don't know. So I looked it up. It actually means tree farmer.
Tree farm. They want some advice.
And our family crest has a tree in the middle of it.
Oh, really?
It's actually BAUM.
I think my...
B-A-U-M. G-A-R-N-P-E-R.
I ate like 6 of them.
What am I supposed to do?
Protein anyway.
Oh, did you go? You get all the spiders knocked down?
There you go. There you go, Corey.
Air one of them.
Try to go down without
Good. My bad. Go ahead. I didn't know you were trying that, Kyle. Go ahead.
Drugs on with me, to be honest. Got them all up in my underpit. Good climb.
Got that long wheelbase.
Yeah.
Mine's got a long wheelbase, so
You got a long wheelbase and a whole lot of forward weight.
Oh!
Yeah, I put a whole new servo on that thing just because the steering trim was turned to the right. It's got a separate one for the left and the right. Which
That's
is
crazy.
Yeah, I like that body.
Just a Pepe Pig body. As my daughter would call it.
that thing probably go up the steep section.
Where's the steep section? Is it like where I'm headed now?
Straight up.
Oh, I don't think nothing's going up that, is it?
You could have come down.
Toy Zoo could go up it with the winch. Alright.
we don't talk about that anymore.
Well, we're not talking about that anymore.
Appreciate it, Andrew. Yeah, that's too.
Nah, that's good.
Right there. I think you might go up. You might go up it right here.
Go put that.
I'm just getting educated to everything breaking today.
Backflip.
Yeah, just kick that truck over. I ain't trying it again with that truck.
We're trying to go down backwards.
Where can I find a 2000 milliamp 3S? Am I gonna have to order that?
Amazon.
I can't find any in any hobby store.
Amazon.
I'm surprised I'm gonna
I cheated. I kind of
Hey.
I sided it.
Hey, look. Now the man trying to make up to me.
What kind of snakes y'all got out here?
Biggin.
Anacondas.
I was gonna say, I just want to know if I'm just worried about copperheads or if I'm worried about rattlesnakes too. Go here.
Am I in somebody's way? Can you come behind me?
Copperheads are bad enough, but I don't want to deal with no rattlesnake.
There's enough room behind me.
Yeah, you're good. See if a belly dragger will make it. As David calls it, the slash with crawler tires.
It took me a long time to tell you the truth, so we're friends now.
kind of go up.
It's kind of cut out a little bit, grooved out.
I can't see it anymore either. I have to step right here. I thought I had it, and then I dropped off in it. I gotta put a lock in it. I have no idea. It's in front of Adam.
Hey! Way to go, Slash!
If you drop off in that hole, you're gonna have to back up and start over.
ROC! You have to be careful touching these trucks, you'll get poison up on your hands. Yeah. These things are super spreaders. I think you're gonna have to get in that track.
Oh, sorry. Just banging into it. That didn't work.
Every time somebody goes up it, it's getting a little worse. He said he'd push you
Hold
up.
on 1 second.
Not where you can see it.
I'm trying to get right here at the moment.
All right, yeah, push me. That didn't work either.
Broke my man's spine. Now push him. There you go.
And the VA ain't gonna pay all the medical bills.
Yeah. You're the one that needs a winch.
I got a couple spares.
All right, I got a technical question. About that servo, it came with like 5 different horns. One of them was a cross.
Throw them in the trash. Throw every one of them in the trash.
I'm like, what is that for?
Airplanes, helicopters.
Oh, okay.
They use them in everything. You can even buy them for industrial purposes, you know.
I opened that thing up and had all these horns, and I'm like, I think I know the one I need, but I don't know what the rest of these are for.
Trash.
Oh.
I got it.
Can't see it.
Oh, am I in your way?
There we go. Now you go. I couldn't see what line I was on.
Alright.
Going up pretty good, Danny. Oh, TRX-4.
Hold on, wait on the power wagon.
Like them lights up top, I just noticed that.
Yeah, it's that expedition light
It's
kit.
gonna get tricky pretty wide.
Yes, sir. Is that everybody?
I don't think you make it through there, hot rod.
I don't think I am either.
That's a little high.
The body on this truck sits high anyway.
I barely made it coming off the edge.
Oh! I don't know about that one.
Oh no, Kevin.
You get stuck in the tree.
It's weird how you see somebody's truck and you
My
can't.
truck's stuck in the tree.
Yeah, that's a holly tree, man. Them things suck.
There's a little bit of moss on that tree, though.
What are y'all trying to do?
Go up
Get over
this
that.
tree.
Get over this tree.
Hold on, I'm going downhill.
Go ahead, somebody else.
It's a lot steeper than it looks on camera, though. Because you're going up a hill before you get to it, and then there's another hill. Flash might be able to jump it.
Slash. You need to get you a top hat and just start wearing it out here. With a Guns N' Roses
right under
t-shirt.
Oh! Come on, Danny, get in the truck.
I about made it over it the first time I hit it, but I let off the throttle too quick.
Oh,
Don't get off the
I'll catch
throttle
you
until
if
you're
you
in
fall.
the ditch on the other side.
Oh, it's going hard. Oh, almost had it.
oh!
When that thing rolls over, it flies.
Because the top's like a sled.
think Chantel's next. I told Dan. Are you next? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm bypassing. Swap.
Wow. Oh.
I'm a little too ignorant for that.
The roof on that thing's starting to hit the wire.
It looks like it's been rolled over a couple of times.
Yeah.
Can you go under? I know that can. My can too.
Bet you mine can't. I'm gonna try it, but it's gonna take a few minutes. No, if you did very
Sorry.
Try it, bud.
I didn't mean to get up on the stick.
You're gonna break it.
Can't be using my gun.
Good thing I was right there.
Sorry.
Thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
Trying to get it
What
back
the
over
things
here.
keep getting me, man? Back on track.
I don't think nobody did. Is Will, did he? I don't think he must have get dry.
Tell me one more.
Yeah, you got different labels.
Cause I just buy whatever they got on Amazon.
Yeah, I buy usually if they got a 2-pack or something. That's what I get.
Yeah.
I've been running Eco Power, and I really like the Eco Power because they're big.
I'm not paying $50 for one battery when I can buy two for $25.
And the hobby shop has 22s and 15s, but they're 2X.
Oh yeah, that's cause they got that track. That's all they're allowed to run.
Yeah.
I cheated. I kind of
Hey.
I sided it.
Hey, look. Now the man trying to make up to me.
What kind of snakes y'all got out here?
Big and
Anacondas.
I was gonna say, I just want to know if I'm just worried about copperheads or if I'm worried about rattlesnakes too. Go here.
Am I in somebody's way? Can you come behind me?
Copperheads are bad enough, but I don't want to deal with no rattlesnake.
There's enough room behind me.
Yeah, you're good. See if the belly dragger will make it. As David calls it, the slash with trolley cars.
It took me a long time to tell you the truth, so we're friends now. It's kind of cut out a little bit, grooved out.
I can't see it anymore either. I have to step right here. I thought I had it, and then I dropped off in it. I gotta put a lock in. I have no idea. It's in front of Adam.
Hey! Way to go, Slash!
If you drop off in that hole, you're gonna have to back up and start over.
ROC! You have to be careful touching these trucks, you'll get poison up on your hands.
Yeah.
These things are super spreaders. I think you're gonna have to get in that track.
Oh, sorry. Just banging into it. That didn't work.
Every time somebody goes up it, it's getting a little worse.
There's a traffic jam.
Push you up.
He said he'd push you
Hold
up.
on 1 second.
Not where you can see it.
Just trying to get right here at the moment.
All right, yeah, push me. That didn't work either.
Broke my man's spine. Now push him. There you go.
And the VA ain't gonna pay all the medical bills.
Yeah. You're the one that needs a winch.
I got a couple spares.
All right, I got a technical question. I bought that servo. It came with like 5 different horns. One of them was a cross.
Throw them in the trash. Throw every one of them in the trash.
I'm like, what is that for?
Airplanes, helicopters.
Oh, okay.
They use them in everything. You can even buy them for industrial purposes, you know.
I opened that thing up and had all these horns. And I'm like, I think I know the one I need. I don't know what the rest of these are for.
Trash.
Oh.
I got it. Oh, am I in your way?
There we go. There you go. I couldn't see what line I was on.
Alright. You want to race down the hill?
Yeah.
Going up pretty good, Danny. Whoa, TRX-4.
Hold on, wait on the power wagon.
I like them lights up top. I just noticed that.
Yeah, it's that expedition light.
This is going to get tricky pretty wide.
Yes, sir. Is that everybody? Yes, it is.